This video records an experiment consisting of 2 exercises. The Mini 3 Pro is flown for a few minutes at 15 miles per hour in the first, and at 20 miles per hour in the second. The depletion of the battery being noted each time. The test has not begun yet. The aircraft has been aloft for about 3 minutes to allow time for the battery to reach what it is hoped will be a fairly constant temperature. The battery, at 21 centigrade, is quite a bit warmer than the outside air this morning, which after a frosty night is now at about 5 centigrade. The charge level has just dropped to 85%, and it would be reasonable to take that moment as marking the start of the first exercise. There is almost no wind today, but to minimize the effect of what there is, the aircraft will fly round in a circle so that it is not always into wind and not always downwind. The commentary resumes at 4 minutes 59 seconds. The charge level has just fallen to 71%, and I took this point in my analysis to mark the end of the first exercise. The battery has drained by 14% in 3 minutes 52 seconds. We see that the battery has got slightly warmer, but I hope the change will not materially affect its behavior. The aircraft will shortly reach and settle at a speed of about 20 miles per hour. I took this part of the exercise to have begun when the charge dropped to 67%. It was noticeable on examination of this recording that the battery depleted more slowly as the aircraft headed south, as it is now doing, than when going the opposite way. I would guess that there was a slight north wind. The commentary resumes at 9 minutes 46 seconds. I took the second exercise to end when the charge level had fallen to 52%. So the battery lost 15% in 3 minutes 45 seconds. Not shown here is the recording during an RTH, when the battery drained by 5% in 49 seconds. The speed was a very steady 23.3 miles per hour. To summarize the results. Assuming total depletion of the battery, at 15 miles per hour the flight time is 27.6 minutes and the range 6.9 miles, at 20 miles per hour 25 minutes, range 8.3 miles, and at 23.3 miles per hour 16.3 minutes and range 6.3 miles.